Do you know you can get this credit card even if you have bad, poor or worse credit? Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to tell you about this credit card that you can get with bad, poor or worse credit, and there's absolutely no credit check when you pre-qualify for this card. This is a massive opportunity for anyone who's trying to build their credit or who's trying to fix their credit. So if you belong to that category, then this is a massive opportunity for you. I'm really happy to see that a number of you are watching our videos and applying for these credit products and improving your credit score. This is amazing, and we would love to see more comments like this. If you benefit from any of these videos, then make sure you comment on this video, and remember that I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check at all, and you can get that credit line even if you have bad or worse credit, and even if you have low income, you will be eligible for it. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin. So this is a massive opportunity, and it's from Premier Bank. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, that you can call it a tier 3 or tier 4 card for anyone who has bad or worse credit. Well, if you have great or excellent credit score, then there are plenty of other options, but this credit card is for the people who are struggling with their credit score. So if you are one of those people, then this is a massive opportunity for you. As I mentioned earlier, on Credit Oaks channel, we give you each and every opportunity that allows you to get the credit lines, credit cards, as well as personal loans with bad or worse credit. So right here, this is Premier Bankcard, and they say the road to building credit starts here. Building credit doesn't have to feel so complicated. Small, steady steps can lead to big results. Make your next move with Premier Bankcard. This is a massive opportunity, and they also said that you can pre-qualify and get started. It only takes a minute and will not impact your credit score. This is great for anyone who's struggling right now and wants to see that either they're going to get approved for this card or not. Remember that pre-qualification doesn't mean that you're going to get approved for this card. It's not pre-approval. There's a difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. Pre-qualification means that there are high chances that you're gonna get approved for this card, and pre-approval means that it's guaranteed, just like Discover does. When you actually apply the Discover card and you apply for it and they tell you that you are pre-approved, it means it's guaranteed approval. Now, they also send multiple letters to millions of Americans, as in mail offer. If you receive one, then you can actually respond to the mail offer, or you can apply from the website. I'm also going to paste a link in the video's description. You can actually go there, click on it, and apply today. And what they say, that find a card that fits you. So let's explore their cards. Well, they have two cards. One is have a good credit score of 500 or higher. So minimum 500 credit score is applicable for their tier 2 card. I'm not gonna call it tier 1 because tier 1 is Amex and Chase or Capital One. So tier 2 is actually their Premier Bank card, and right here they said that you can actually get a limit of up to $700. There is an account opening requirement fee of $55 to $95, annual fee $50 to $125, monthly fee $10.40, APR 36%, and it's best for building credit. Well, their second card is for the people who have below 500 score, means you can still get the card if you have below 500 score, but it's a secured credit card, means you have to actually put a deposit to it. Right here, initial deposit $200, and there's annual fee. Remember that of course it's best for people who have no credit or new to credit, and if your credit score is below 500, this is an opportunity for you. But again, as I mentioned earlier, that these cards are for the people who are trying to build their credit or have bad or poor credit. There are very high chances that you're gonna get approved for this card, and you can get up to $700 $100 means the premier credit card. And this is some opportunity, but remember that they have hefty annual fee as well as monthly fee. There are more other options, but if you are struggling with bad or poor credit, then this is an opportunity for you. And remember that I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check, and you can get that credit line even with no or bad credit. So if you would like to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.